As India-Pakistan tensions are slowly de-escalating, people in India are protesting against Turkey and Azerbaijan for supporting Pakistan over India. This in context of Operation Sindoor and how Pakistan retaliated.
There is massive anger building in India against Turkey in the wake of its support for Pakistan during Operation Sindoor. In Mumbai, Shiv Sena workers staged a protest outside the airport.
पैसा इंडिया में कमाएंगे और पाकिस्तान को वहां जाके मदद करेंगे, ऐसा महाराष्ट्र में बिल्कुल चलेगा नहीं। एकनाथ राव शिंदे साहब के नेतृत्व में बंबई में ऐसी जितनी भी कंपनी की लिस्ट है उसको बंद करने का काम करेंगे।
हमारे बॉम्बे एयरपोर्ट जहाँ पे करोड़ों लोग आते जाते हैं, ये एक नेशनल सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न है, जहाँ पे एक टर्किश कंपनी जिसका नाम है सेलेबी वो ऑपरेट कर रही है यहाँ पे, और हम हमारी इंडियन सॉइल में एक टर्किश कंपनी जो पाकिस्तान को सपोर्ट करती है उसको काम नहीं करने देंगे।
In Pune, traders have boycotted Turkish apples, leading to their disappearance from local markets. Citizens have also joined the movement.
टर्की ने सपोर्ट किया, उन्होंने ड्रोन दिए, ड्रोन अटैक हो गया, तो हम लोगों ने मतलब ये सोचा कि कुछ तो भी देशभक्ति के ऊपर कुछ तो भी करेंगे। तो जो रिटेल कस्टमर है, जो छोटा कस्टमर है, उसने वही मतलब वो लोगों को बोल रहा है कि मेरे को टर्की का एप्पल नहीं चाहिए। तो हमने सोचा यार ये रिटेल कस्टमर बैन कर रहा है, बायकॉट कर रहा है, तो अपन भी करेंगे।
Several Indians are boycotting travel to Turkey and have called on airlines to suspend any form of partnership with the country. Boycott calls against Azerbaijan are also growing. Major travel companies, including Ease My Trip and Cox and Kings, have suspended all travel offerings to these countries. They have issued advisories urging customers to avoid non-essential travel to Turkey and Azerbaijan. In 2022, 2.3 lakh Indian tourists from India visited Turkey. In 2024, that number was 3.3 lakh Indian tourists visited at 21% increase. In Azerbaijan, 2.4 lakh Indian tourists visited just last year. India contributes 8.9% of total tourists going to Azerbaijan. Third largest number of tourists to Azerbaijan come from India. Turkish-made Songa drones were among those used by Pakistan to strike India. In fact, Pakistan's defense minister even thanked the country in the assembly. Under fire, the Turkish tourism department put out this release, welcoming Indian tourists, but the message from India is clear. Terror, trade and tourism will not go together. Bureau Report, India Today.